Want to turn your text into professional, high-quality videos in just minutes without touching a single complicated editing timeline? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PlayPlay, an incredibly easy visual creation platform that lets you generate videos using simple text prompts. So, what exactly is PlayPlay? It is an online visual creation platform built specifically for businesses and teams who need to make professional content fast. If you know how to build a basic slide deck, you already know how to use PlayPlay. It uses a highly familiar drag-and-drop interface designed to save you time and skip the usual video editing headaches. You can start from scratch, use their built-in templates, or let their artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting for you. Let's talk about the AI features, because these are built for actual productivity rather than just hype. First up is the AI video generator. You literally type in what you need, and the platform generates a shareable visual for you instantly. But it doesn't stop there. PlayPlay also features AI avatars, an AI video clipping tool to trim down your footage, AI copywriting to help write your scripts, an AI image generator, and even realistic AI voiceovers. Plus, if you are working within a company, it has built-in brand control. This means you can set your brand's colors and fonts so that whatever your team creates always stays perfectly on brand. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. To be completely transparent, we don't have a massive database of third-party user reviews to pull from today. However, looking closely at how the platform is built, the pros are obvious. It is incredibly fast, highly collaborative, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can test all the features risk-free. On the con side, because PlayPlay is highly tailored for corporate communications, marketing, and social media teams, it might feel a bit too structured or restrictive if you're a creative filmmaker looking for highly advanced manual visual effects. My final opinion? If you want to scale up your video production, create scroll-stopping social media posts, or turn complex reports into engaging visual content without hiring an entire production team, PlayPlay is absolutely worth a look. You can head over to playplay.com right now to sign up for their 7-day free trial and start creating. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment letting me know what you think of AI video generation, and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next video.